Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Thinkorswim on iPhone. Open the App Store, download Thinkorswim, and sign in with your TD Ameritrade account immediately. Grant notifications and location permissions for alerts and accurate quotes. Learn the mobile layout and basic navigation so you find watch lists, charts, and the trade ticket quickly. Set up biometric login for faster access and test a small order in practice mode before trading live. In this video, I will explain how to use Thinkorswim on iPhone. Open a chart and tap the study icon to add indicators like moving averages or RSI right away. Use pinch and two-finger swipe gestures to change timeframes and inspect candles precisely. Save your favorite study combinations as templates to load instantly. Practice reading setups on small time frames and larger frames to confirm trends before placing trades. In this video, I will explain how to use Thinkorswim on iPhone. Open the Trade tab, enter a symbol, and choose your order type from Market, Limit, or Stop. Adjust quantity, set your limit price, and double-check estimated fees and buying power before sending the order. Use paper money mode to simulate trades and verify your strategy without real risk. Review order confirmations, and use alerts to monitor fills and adjustments on the go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.